What's going on, guys? This is Qazi. If you enjoy my YouTube content and what I post on Instagram, then take all of this and put it on a whole another level. That's what's in my masterclass. If anybody from my masterclass watching this video, drop a comment below. Let people know what's your experience from this course. 2,500 plus people that joined this program and are beyond satisfied. So get super pumped because for the next 7 days, I'm gonna be doing a special offer on my masterclass. So this is your opportunity. If you've been waiting, link is in the description. Should definitely check it out. But the price will increase as we get to the end of this promo. And guys, let's just talk about who's it for. If you're a cinematographer, if you're an editor or a predator, producer, editor, somebody that goes out there, shoots, edits their own stuff. If you're a director and wanna get your point across to your colorist or a DP, this masterclass is for you. Anyone who wants to charge more in the saturated market, color grading is the easiest way to set yourself apart from the rest. If you want your low budget projects to look like Hollywood films or high-end commercials, color grading is the answer. Now I can play the testimonial reel and let FCM members sell you on it, but more importantly, just check out the kind of stuff they are producing week in and week out. These are the grabs from the FCM competition that we have every weekend. We announce an FCM champion every quarter, and here are the prizes. $1,000 cash prize for the first place, $300 for the second, and $100 for the third place. That said, guys, the special price starts right now for the next 7 days. It will climb as we get to the end of the promo. You do not want to wait. Link is in the description. Just click on it, learn more, and see if this is the right course for you. I do want to see you inside this FCM culture, this FCM family. We have over 2,500 students and we're getting more students every day. It is the right move. I know it. You know it. Let's do this. I will see you in the next video.